Alright, YouTube, as promised, I'll try to get this in a few takes as possible, but actually I came to find out that this little mount won't even matter. It actually came with another one, so let's just do that, I guess. And once again, you use number 2s. I probably could use this one, but since it actually came with one, why not use the new one, unless the new one doesn't match up, which is quite possible. Oh, am I even getting that? Oh, sorry. Anyway. There, and it's all kind of hard to do with one hand, but well, there went that. It's a fairly good screw, actually, but that's the old shower head. I got that light there for extra, so when I'm doing the bottom part, you actually will be able to see that. Here's what we're installing right here. Nice. Alright, now from that point, what you do is, you probably have a better view than I do, actually. I don't know. Let's see if you actually do. I think you do. You may not have any view, I don't know. But you take these and you screw them on the bottom of this. And if you have to twist hard, just start over, because it should. Let's see if you can actually get up in here. I don't know if you can actually see up in there, but if you can't do this with one finger, start over, or you're going to cross thread it and you're going to screw up your thing. I've done too many sinks in my lifetime. If you have to do that, and I'll just put you back down here. I don't know if you can actually see anything from there, but I guarantee you probably got a better, because I can't see it at all, but you just roll that up on there, and oh, let's use the new one. Let's just take that off. I think I got new ones. Yep. Normally both work, because it's kind of a standard system. Most housing stuff is. That way it prevents basically idiots from doing this. Now this one should screw on real nice. Yeah. That's the way it should be. Watch. If you put it on there right, you should actually be able to flick it and it spin up. Sorry for the noise. You should be able to hit that and just spin it up. And then you just tighten it down. Let's see if I can tighten it better than... No, that's it. Oh, there it is. Put the other one on, and now listen. That's how loose it should be. You actually should be able to just and spin that thing up there. You should be able to spin that up there, and eventually you'll get to a point and you tighten it. You tighten this in hand tight, but as tight as you can. Okay. So those are extra. Well, those would be useful, but This one actually did come with a mounting bracket. I know that. I don't know if I included that in the video or not, but it did come with a mounting bracket. Okay, here's the next part, is getting this seated right. And this is probably the more difficult of them. But you just... And this is another almost... It's a weird thing, you have to have it. They recommend it be hand tight because it's plastic, but you actually gotta kind of ratchet it to some degree. I mean, get it as tight as you can to begin with, and then you can go from there. But you have to get it dead center. And whatever you do, don't... If you can't turn it with your hand, don't... Easy. If you can't turn it with your hands, real easy. Just restart. Or else you'll cross thread them. And trust me, you do not want to do that. Because then you have to buy a whole new thing because you done screwed it up. Alright, well. That should be that, but... Okay, where's that at? And let's get back up here. I don't know, I have to do that with one hand. But hang on, let me get the first screw started. I mean, it's a real simple operation once you have the ports. I'll just put the other screw in. You may actually be able to see it, I don't know. But here, see? And you just finish tightening that. This is the new part, actually. Probably should have cleaned the wall up. I can always undo the screws. This ain't very thick paneling, so there's no need to really torque it. I know a lot of men like to torque stuff. Let's see. And next is this part. Make sure you put this part through there. And you have to get the other part and run it through there. Run it down. I hope you can... there's the washer. And you put the washer right there. Okay. I don't have a mount or nothing, so just hang on. And just, okay, put it in. Yeah, that's all you do right there. You just, once again, you ain't gotta, because it's a rubber gasket, you ain't gotta, you know, hold the clamp tight. Alright. Now we gotta take this off. And hopefully the bolts do the same. I'll put it there. Oh, this came with screws. It came with different screws. Oh. Now these are actually, what you do is you press these into the walls. If you got really thin walls, and then you screw these in, and this will pop and hold it in the wall. So I don't think we'll need those, but we'll oh. stay there. Let's see what the... How's that go on there? Press it on there and... Nope. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I'm new to this. I'm pretty sure... Oh, maybe it's this way. No. Well, it definitely don't turn. You definitely put it in sideways. Whoa! It's gonna have to be this way. To even work. It has to be that way to even work. So it would mount. No, that never cleared the door. Gonna remount it. So I can't use the current. I can't use that current mount. So, may end up having to use them. Maybe there's a small stud through there. But anyway, right here's where we gotta go. Just below the light. And here's what we gotta work with. I don't know if it's like this or it's supposed to be like this. I'm thinking it's supposed to be like this, but see, the holes are vertical and those are horizontal, and that ain't working. So we gotta go, sorry. See, the holes are vertical and it will never work because of the hose. So we have to go this way. So, once again, standard number 2 square. And maybe I can put these painted bolts somewhere else. Oh, maybe even in the thing down there. Trying to cover up them. I'm hoping there's a small stud or wall there, maybe. Maybe. That way those 2 holes will be covered up. Alright, let's see, well, no, let's see if we can use those 2. I don't know where to put the camera, so y'all can, maybe I'll see it from there. I don't know. This, it looks like I'm going to be able to cover them up there. Get the thing in the hole. Last words of everybody. See, let's find the middle of that little thing there. Yep, right there. Now I filled up the water tanks. The actual water tank, the clear water or whatever they call it, has a leak, a very slow leak, the way I got it set up. And it won't last all week. I'll have to replace it too, but this is to see if everything works, because that was a definite thing when I pressurized the system with the valve. And we may even get some leaks right now. But, and voila, see, we got the 2 holes covered, tightened down pretty good, and we used our original screws. Okay, yep, that's good enough. Alright, now let's take this out and this out, using it for extra light, and let's see. Oh, is there anything in the sink? Oh, crap. Let's go. Well, let's close that off. We got water to the sink with no leaks, and that never happened before without it happening here. Alright. Yeah, the sound you just heard was the thing kicking in. God, that makes a lot of noise. Can you hear it? It's supposed to make that kind of noise? I mean, it's filled up to right there.
Power through these old city streets.